I believe the war in Iraq can be concluded successfully in a relatively brief time. We stand united in our support for our armed forces and confident in the swift victory. We cannot repeat in Iraq the example of the Balkans, where Bosnia and Kosovo remain UN protectorates years after our just military intervention. I think that the next 3 to 6 months will determine how long we are in Iraq. If we can do the things that I talked about, then I don't see us staying a long time in Iraq.
When you talk about a long-term commitment here, are you talking about something in terms of South Korea, for instance, where you would expect U.S. troops to be in Iraq for decades?
No, I don't think decades. But the other point is, what about Iraq? What about Iraq? Now, in the next few months, we will see either success or failure in Iraq. I am optimistic.
Look, if you talk to most military experts, we're in a critical and crucial time. We're either going to lose this thing or win this thing within the next several months.
By the way, that reminds me of this 100-year thing. My friends, the war will be over soon.
By January 2013, America has welcomed home most of the servicemen and women who have sacrificed terribly so that America might be secure in her freedom. The Iraq War has been won.
But I think our expectations have been raised all too often.
That's Washington doublespeak.